Let's have a look about the country like Guyana, or officially known as Cooperative Republic of Guyana. It is a country of the Caribbean region, South America here. Georgetown is said to be the capital of Guyana. Guyana covers the area of 214,969 square kilometers. Unitary presidential republic has been practiced in the country like Guyana. About 1 million people live in the country like Guyana. Guyana got independence from United Kingdoms dated on 26 May in 1966. Guyanese dollar is the currency of this country like Guyana. In the course of time here, so even the flashback history of this Guyana here, we should go back in the history of this colonial period. First time Christopher Columbus, who was Italian explorer, came to Guyana in 1498 here. In the course of times, the British established their colony in 1796. So it is the country of the finest nation here. Christianity is the main religion in the country like Guyana here. So it is the country that is fascination here. Hinduism is the second biggest religion. Islam is the third biggest religion in the country like Guyana here. It is the country of this Atlantic Oceans and other countries here. Thank you very much for watching my video.